Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, let's make Okpa Enugu State. Here are my ingredients. I have my Okpa flour, which is bambara bean. I have palm oil, salt, grounded uziza seeds, onions, habanero peppers, seasoning cubes, and I have my nylon bags and thread for wrapping the Okpa. Okay, so in a bigger bowl I transferred the Okpa flour, then added the palm oil. Guys, you need enough palm oil. Okay, Okpa needs lots of oil for that flavor and the color, the distinct color. Okay, so this is me here mixing it to combine. You have to mix it properly, like you have to let the Okpa flour marry the palm oil while the palm oil marries the Okpa. Okay, don't mind me, just mix it properly. Okay, yeah. So in there I added my blended onions. I added my teaspoon of uziza seed and mixed properly. Okay, you have to mix it very well. Okay, please note the uziza seeds is optional, highly optional. Okay, yeah, but I love the flavor that it gives to my Okpa, so that's why I use it every time I make Okpa. Okay, all right, so this is me mixing it very well. Yeah, okay, have to mix and mix and mix so everything gets combined properly. Then I added some water, just room temperature water. I don't need hot water. I'm going to stir it very well. Okay, yeah, so as to loosen the paste. That is what I'm doing here. You stir and stir and stir, and as well I'm trying to break, if there are lumps in there, I'm trying to dissolve the lumps as well. All right guys, so this is the Okpa now. Can you see it's thick? So I added some water to loosen it up. Okay, please note your Okpa is not meant to be as thick as moi moi. Okay, yeah, so that is the consistency we are going for. I'm going to be sieving it now because I noticed that it has little lumps, so I want to have a very fine texture. So this is me here sieving the Okpa. You just need a tight sieve. Okay, it can be a plastic sieve, but it should be tight. So I'm using a stainless sieve for it here. Okay, yes guys, so you can see those tiny lumps. Now that is what I'm trying to take out so that we'll have a very fine texture. Okay, so I'll take that aside. Guys, look at that very fine, yummy looking Okpa already. So yeah, so I'm stirring them to combine. Look at the consistency we want. Yeah, it's okay now. So I'll be adding my habanero pepper. Okay, I decided to blend it very rough. It's not smooth at all, so I can be able to see it inside the Okpa. Okay, then I added my seasoning cubes, which is option. I just used one. Yeah, a seasoning cube. I added some salt. I'm going to stir stir very well to dissolve the seasoning cubes and the salt and everything. Okay, yeah, so it's time to wrap. That's although I tested it, it was okay. I didn't need any more salt. So this is me tying it up now in the nylon bags. That's the thread over there. So yeah, you just have to seal it so it doesn't loosen in the hot water. Yeah, so this is me sealing it. Please note, you must allow your water to boil properly before you add your Okpa. Okay, all right guys, so I decided to double the nylon to secure it properly. Yeah, we are trying to be very careful here so that the bags won't open while cooking, so I decided to double them. Okay, yeah, you just have to scoop any quantity you want and then tie. Okay, yeah, this is me tying. I decided to, you know, double or triple my knots to secure it properly. Okay, then I put it in my hot water. I'll keep repeating this process until I finish what I have in my bowl. Yes guys, so this is it. It's very easy to make. Okay, yeah, so drop in the water. Okay, so repeat process until you are done tying your okpa. Okay, and then cover to cook for 45 minutes. Okay guys, so look at that okpa. Yeah, I had to drain the water. It tasted so good, like so good. The moment of truth, yeah, let's see what we have in there. Oh my god guys, look at that okpa. This is confirmed Okpa Enugu State. Okpa Wawa. I enjoyed mine with a bowl of hot pap, milky pap. Yes guys, like the uziza seed was the highlight of it. The flavor, the aroma was all over my kitchen. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.